Have you ever wondered what existed before our Earth was born? Was there land? Was there water? Was there life? Or was it just empty space? Today, we're taking you 4.6 billion years back in time to uncover the incredible story of how Earth came to be. To understand how Earth was formed, we need to go back even further than that. We need to go back to the very beginning, 13.8 billion years ago, to the Big Bang. In the beginning, there was no Earth, no sun, no planets, just an unimaginably hot, dense energy and tiny particles flying everywhere. Over millions of years, these particles started forming the first stars and galaxies. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, was born about 13.6 billion years ago. But Earth still didn't exist. Fast forward to about 4.6 billion years ago. A giant cloud of gas and dust called the Solar Nebula began collapsing under gravity. This swirling cloud gave birth to the sun at its center, and around it, small chunks of rock and metal started clumping together. These chunks became planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Collisions, explosions, and merging continued for millions of years. Eventually, one of these growing worlds became our Earth. But the early Earth wasn't the beautiful blue planet we know today. It was a hot, molten world covered with volcanoes and constantly bombarded by asteroids. Then came the biggest impact of all. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object called Theia smashed into Earth. The debris from this collision eventually formed our moon. It also stabilized Earth's orbit. For billions of years before that, Earth didn't have a moon. But why is the moon important? You might think it's just a big rock in the sky that looks pretty at night. Well, it is that. But it's also one of the most important things that happen to Earth. The moon affects the tides and helps stabilize Earth's orbit. Without it, Earth would wobble around the sun in an unpredictable way. It would also spin way faster, and our days would only be 6 hours long. So thanks, Moon. Before the moon, Earth spun so fast that stuff couldn't stay on its surface. So when the moon crashed into Earth, it knocked a lot of stuff off into space. And over millions of years, some of that stuff fell back down and landed in the oceans. Scientists think that this material from space may have been the building blocks of life. So thanks, Moon, for bringing us water and maybe even life itself. It took billions of years for Earth to become the planet we know and love today. But it all started with a big bang and ended with a little nudge from a crashing moon. Before Earth, there was no land, no oceans, no life, only cosmic chaos. From stardust, explosions, and collisions, there came the planet we call home. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, we are made of the same stardust that created Earth and everything around us. If you enjoyed this journey through time, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space stories. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.